In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in YouTube editor to trim a video that you have on YouTube. Now, this will be creating a new YouTube video, but let me show you how to do it. So with all things YouTube, when you're a creator, you'll start out by clicking your avatar in the upper right-hand corner and then going to YouTube Studio. Head over to the Videos button and find the video that you'd like to trim. So I'm going to choose this one here and click on the pencil icon to edit. Now you'll head over to the editor on the left. So you'll see here the video across the top, and the audio is this squiggly line down here. That's how loud you're speaking. So let's say we wanted to trim it off the first minute of the video. Just head over here to trim. And then you'll see these blue bars, and you can just pull this in to that 1 minute mark. So then you'll head down here to preview, and then you can come up to the save button to save over your existing video, or these three little dots if you want to make a new copy. So you can say save as new and make a new copy of this video. So I'm just going to do it as a private video, save as new. And now if we go back to channel videos. So it looks like there's a little bug here if you did the save as new function instead of the save button, because it thinks you didn't push the save button. But don't worry, it will be processing. You can see here on the next screen that it's showing a copy of this video and it's starting to process, and it's going to take a few minutes. And there we go. So you can see here that this new copy is 2 minutes and 17 seconds, whereas the original was 3 minutes and 17 seconds. So that's how you edit a YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, I've got lots more like this on this channel that you can subscribe to, or on my main channel where I help coaches use online video.